Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film another iHerb haul. I actually received this parcel for quite a long time, but I am really busy recently, so I don't have time to make a video. But now I really need to use some of the products. Therefore, I have to make a quick video to show you guys what I bought this time so I can start using the products inside. So this time is same, like not a big box, still like a small box. So I bought quite a few of products actually. So as usual, I will start from the repeat items. The first item, as usual, this is Kurt's Custody. I only bought 3 pieces because I still have few pieces at home. So that's why I just put 3 pieces into this order. The second one is this one. This is Endoro Naturals Daily Shade 1000 Roses series. It's facial lotion with SPF 18. I bought this one for my mother. Another one is this one. This is Willita's hand cream. I think this is my second bottle. The first one I used it for quite some time, like a couple of months. So far I'm quite happy with this product because the scent is not too strong, and also it is quite moisture. So and the price is not too expensive. So that's why I repurchased this item. And the final repeat order is this one. I bet you like seldom see me buy this, talk about this product. So how come this is a repeat product? Literally I'm buying once every year, I think. They changed the packaging, so it was not like that. This is a facial wash. I'm not sure, I think they are the same thing. So they just changed the packaging. With this bottle, usually can last me like at least 9 months. So this one is really good value for money. And I use this one to wash my face. I've been using this one for 3 or 4 years. I'm still quite happy with it, and it is really affordable. So I keep using this one. I think I've checked the ingredient. It is not like super good, but it is acceptable. So with this price, with a very reasonable, good combination of ingredients. Actually, it's very simple ingredients, so I'm quite happy with it. Also, I feel that it does a good job in cleaning the face, so I don't have much facial problems after using this facial wash. So I repurchased another bottle. Okay, this time I purchased a few pieces of new products. So let me start with the one that I bought it for my mom. The first one is this one. This is Endoro Naturals Luminous Night Cream. My mom needs a night cream. At the beginning, I want to repeat that order that I bought it for her last time. I think, can't remember what, I think it's the CoQ10 one. But she wants something with some whitening function. I told my mom that most of the natural products, I haven't seen any whitening, and I don't want her to do the whitening cream, and I don't want her use the whitening cream. I reckon most of the whitening cream is quite with chemicals inside. So when I was browsing, I saw this one. I think this one is with vitamin C, and also it says that it can brighten the skin. That's why I bought this one for her to try. Hopefully it can brighten up her skin a bit. Okay, now it's the new products for myself. So the first one is this one. This is Willita's Baby Nourishing Body Cream. I want to get a body cream because it's getting very dry here. I don't know why, or I'm actually getting old, so all the collagens under my skin are gone maybe. So I want to use a body cream. So since I was on Willita's section, and then I actually want to find a Willita's body cream. And Willita does have some body cream, but when I was browsing, I saw this baby one. So I was thinking, oh, maybe baby is the purest one. And then I checked the Think Dirty, the rating. It is very good and it is not expensive. So that's why I tried this one first. The next product is Wellida's products too. So recently I'm in love with Wellida's products. Yeah, the price, they are like, the product is a little bit pricey for some or most of the items compared to what I was using. But their texture is really good. That's why I want to try a little bit more of their items. And I need a night cream. So far I haven't found any night cream that I really like. So I see this Awakening night cream. I think it's for it's their anti-aging series. So that's why I purchased this one, and hopefully I will like it. And the last one is this one. This is a facial mask. It's a hydrating facial mask from Su King. I think Su King is an Australian or New Zealand brand. I think it's an Australian brand, but in New Zealand we can find this product easily in the department store or pharmacy. So why I bought it from iHerb? Just because I'm lazy. I'm using Enduro Naturals mask for a while. Actually, I'm not using masks often. So recently I want to pick up my skincare routine. So I need a facial mask. And I think I want to start from the hydrating facial mask or maybe a moisture facial mask, but I haven't found a moisture facial mask yet. So I saw this one. This is hydrating facial mask. So instead of going out to the shops to find one, since I was ordering online, so I put this one into my purchase as well. I think this is about 15 New Zealand dollars. I haven't checked the price in New Zealand yet. I'm not sure they are the same price or I pay cheaper on iHerb or not. So, but next time if I go to department store, I will check it out. But for $15 with this big bottle, I think it is quite okay. Hopefully I will like it. So if I like it, I will do a product review in future. I keep saying that I want to do product review, but I don't know why. I'm just so busy recently, and you know, YouTube is really just for interest at the moment. So I really have to find time to film it. Hopefully, actually I've accumulated a lot of product that I want to share with you guys, like whether they are good or not. I actually want to do product review. Product review was one of the main reason that I started YouTube, but unfortunately I don't have much time to make a video about all the products that I'm using now. So hopefully, yeah, in the future I will do more product review video. So okay, that's all for this iHerb haul. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.